Meron akong nakikitang energy rito na parang galing siya sa isang marangyang pamilya or baka wealthy siya. Yan, no? Let's see. Kasi kaya ako nasabi yung marangyang pamilya kasi bata pa yung energy niya. Pero I'm also feeling right here that this could be someone here na pwedeng bata pa lang, no, naging responsable na talaga siya, tapos nagpursige siya. Ganun yung energy eh. Nakakita ko rito ng parang may pag-travel rito. Yun ang nakikita ko. No? Parang siya mismo yung magta-travel. So, kahit na siya yung lumalabas rito na successful or wealthy, let's just see. If this is a business owner or boss siya sa company or mataas yung posisyon niya, nakikita ko siya mismo yung kikilos at lalakad. May pag-travel rito. At baka ito yung maging daan para makilala or magkakilala kayo or baka magkakilala na kayo ngayon. Yeah, I can see travel right here. Okay, coming from this person. Okay, and look at that. We have here the Joker. May new beginning rito, taray. May new beginning rito mga babes, no? Sino man to. Okay. So hinihintay niya na lang ngayon, no, ang pagdating rito ng kanyang travel. Nakakita ko rito mga babes, no, ng passport. So maaaring malayo, mga babes, no, etong place kung saan nakatira tong tao na to or may distansya sa pagitan ninyong dalawa. Okay, doesn't have to be, just take how this resonates. Pero kasi maaring yung passport na yun has something to do with hindi pa kasi kayo ganun nagkakakilala or hindi pa kayo ganun magkakilala or hindi pa kayo nagkakakilala, whatever it is, maaring yun yung gap na yun. Pero I can see that this person is now preparing for his or her flight towards you. Taray. Let's see. Let's rock this. Okay. You could be already connecting with this person right here, pero yung iba mga babes, no, pwedeng nasa buhay niyo pa lang siya pero wala pa rito connection, pero nakikita ko rito, no, naparating na siya. Okay. You feel this person here. Yeah, definitely you appear here as the Queen of Cups energy. Okay. Oh. This is someone here na pwedeng mas younger siya sa'yo by age, no? Pero impressive kasi nakikita ko rito that with this 6 of Wands energy and the Page of Wands, nakikita ko rito, no, na successful itong tao na to. This is the type of energy right here na successful ito. Okay? So, what I'm picking up right here is this is the type of person right here na pwede naman na bata pa lang siya, no, sobrang responsable na siya, no, at ngayon, no, nakikita ko rito, no, na hindi siya yung klase ng person rito na patenga-tenga lang. So, ibig sabihin, may ipon siya rito, no, meron siya ritong nakikitang bright future para sa sarili niya, no. Bata pa lang siya, no, pero tingnan mo naman, no, meron na siya ritong napundar for himself or herself right here. So, yeah, very impressive. So, yan mga beads, bago natin simulan ang reading na to, no, reminders na hindi to for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo, no, na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender here. Ba, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here. Cross-watchers! I know you're all welcome here. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Someone here actually has lots of money. That's what I'm picking up. Someone successful right here. And someone who keeps memories. Sa iba, ongoing na to. Sa iba, mangyayari pa lang to. At ito yung prediction sa inyong hinaharap, mga babes. So, you might want to hear this out, syempre. Yun nga, mga babes, nakita ko rito na meron ditong someone new, someone brand new, new love entering into your life. At ang maganda, successful siya rito, no? Alam mo, bata talaga yung binibigay at binubuga niyang aura dito, no? At talagang strong rin na talagang may age difference dito, but doesn't have to be applicable for everybody because it also means rin kasi, mga babes, no, na pwede kasing siya ay bata yung kanyang personality, not immature ha, but this is someone mature enough. Okay, this is someone here who could be funny, who could be lively right here, or this person could be someone here who has that young face pero magkaedad lang kayo, or this person right here could be older than you pa nga pero yung face niya naman or yung physical appearance niya, no, is talagang hindi mo masabi rito, no, na kaedad mo lang siya or what, no. So yeah, just take how this resonates with you. But someone here is successful. Someone here could be someone famous pa nga, no, sa kanya ritong field na ginagawa. This person right here could be someone na pwedeng sikat, literal, no, sa baka nasa public eye siya, yung trabaho niya something to do with facing a lot of people. I'm seeing a lot of crowd in here, there's gathering in here, and there's this person here who stands out from the crowd. So, ibig sabihin, this person is somewhat pwedeng may social media applications at pwedeng marami siyang followers, marami siyang fans, no? Marami siya ritong taga-suporta, no? But doesn't have to be. Pwede rin kasing kilala siya sa kanyang field na yun, sa trabaho niya, no? Kunyari, let's just say, baka this person is owning his or her business, no? I'm getting that CEO vibe for others of you. Okay? Not literally CEO, kasi pwedeng siya ay high honor, baka may position siya sa pinagtatrabahuhan niya, at mataas yung posisyon na yon, or meron na siya ritong nakuha. Kasi nakikita ko rito is someone here na malapit na dun sa tuktok ng ladder. So, ibig sabihin, no, nasa taas siya ng tagumpay dito, no. At very impressive, lalo na kung bata pa to, no, pero sobrang niya na, sobrang motivated niya na dito sa life, no. Actually, this person is looking for love. Yeah. Okay? At this person right here is, meron siya ritong very specific na hinahanap sa isang person at mukhang sa'yo niya yung nakita. Yeah. Yeah, and you're appearing here as someone with the 9 of Coins energy, Queen of Cups, there's this 4 of Wands energy. So, hindi mo, mga babes, no, probably wala ka ritong kaalam-alam, pero pwedeng may idea ka. Pwede rin naman, mga babes, no, na alam mo na. So, just take how this resonates. So, pwede kasing nasa mundo mo na siya. Okay? Or yung iba, pwedeng hinahanap ka pa lang niya ngayon, no? Pero ramdam mo na siya, no? Probably, hindi mo pa to kilala, pero ramdam mo na siya, no? Pag nagkaroon kayo ng connection, makikita mo rito na napaka-sentimental ng taong ito. This person will keep, or kung may connection na kayo ngayon, no? At maganda yung nakikita kong flow rito ng connection. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing from this person. This person will keep your conversations. I'm seeing someone not deleting your messages right here. Yeah. Yung palitan ninyo ng mga mensahe, no, hindi nyo yung buburahin. Okay? This person, I'm seeing him or her deleting other conversations with regarding to work or with regarding to other friends. Pag nag-delete siya ng phone niya, ini-skip niya, no, yung mga photos ninyo together, ini-skip niya rito yung mga messages ninyo sa chat, sa calls, pati sa calls, sa phone logs niya, hindi niya buburahin yun. Basta, pag-uusap ninyo, it's a memory, it's worth keeping. Yan, no? Para sa kanya, worth it na i-keep ko ito kasi ito ay galing dito sa aking love of my life. Yeah, that's what I'm getting from this person right here. You see, napaka-sentimental niya. This person keeps memories right here. At kung babae pa nga ito, no, pwede pang nag-i-scrapbook ito, no, tapos nilalagay niya pa ng design, no. Pwedeng meron siyang mga photo sa phone niya, no, or phone ninyo, no, kukunin niya pa yun sa'yo. Ipasa mo nga sa akin yung picture natin. Yan, kasi papadevelop ko sa lagay ko sa scrapbook. Yan, no. So, wala tayong gender dito, no. Nagbigay lang ako ng example, mga mahal. This is someone here who is very sentimental and keeping the memory right here. Yan, no. Pero hindi matatatuwa na may pagkaseloso siya rito. Yung nakikita ko rito, no. Parang Ayaw niya yung feeling na may umaaligid sa'yo. Okay? Not because he or she do not trust you, but because ayaw niya lang, no, na may iba rito na parang umaaligid sa'yo. Especially kung meron na kayong connection nito. Kasi this is someone here who has eyes only for you. Syempre, jelly. Ano yung jelly? Jelly. Selos. Jealous. Yan, no. Bakit naman kasi, jealous. Yan, no. Jelly na lang. So, ayun. So, narinig natin yung song, no? Yung song na, there's a song that's inside of my soul. It's the one that I've tried to write over and over again. Yan, familiar ba yun? Yun, syempre hindi makakalimot dyan. That's Mandy Moore's song. Eh, so someone, girl. Or boy. Yeah, I heard ukit. So, whatever the case may be, nakaukit ka na sa puso nitong tao na to, no? At pwede talaga, no? Na nasa mundo mo na siya, no? At ikaw yung tinatangi niya rito, no? Or kung meron na kayo rito connection at pag-uusap, no? Yun nga, this person is keeping every memory, even just a bit, single memory ninyo or about you, no, is tinatago niya at itatago niya yun, mga babes. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. This is someone here who keeps every memory alive in his or her heart right here. At kung wala pa to sa life ninyo, mga babes, no, nakaukit na kayo rito sa puso niya. It's like, this person right here do not know your face yet. It's like this person right here do not see you yet, but this person feels that he or she is very close in meeting you. Yan, yung nakikita ko dito, mga mahal, no? Tapos kayo, pwedeng wala kayong kaalam-alam dito, pero kasi nakikita ko kayo with the Queen of Cups. Highly intuitive kasi to. So, pwedeng ramdam nyo rin, no, na parang meron dito makikilala kayong significant na person, yan, no, sa buhay ninyo. Hindi nga to basta significant lang kasi I can see marriage here. I can see right here, someone who wants connection, commitment, not just relationship but commitment with you. See, there's new beginning right here, no? Medyo busy ka rito, may new beginning ka sa sariling mundo mo rito at may kanalaman yun sa kaperahan. This is you, busy ka rito, no, sa pagpapalago ng stability mo, career, money, ipon dito, ipon doon, yun ang ginagawa mo rito, no? Pero may nararamdaman, parang feeling ko, sa mga susunod na mga araw may mangyayari sa akin na parang, ewan ko ba? Ganun. So, maaaring ganun yung nararamdaman mo rito, no? Or parang hindi ka rito mapakali to the point na parang feeling mo, no? Exciting yung mga next na mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw or susunod na mga days for you guys, no? Yung mga ganyan. So, this is you feeling this person. This person is very near now to you. See? I can see this person entering your world. Yan. Yung iba, pumasok na to sa mundo ninyo and you're gonna feel this happening. Especially, mas mararamdaman mo siya, no, kapag ka, mga babes, no, oras na para, okay, buklatin ang libro sa pangalawang chapter ng buhay nyo. Yan, no, nakita ko dito, this person right here will protect you. This person right here, I can see this person right here, yung kahit matagal na yung conversation, nakatago pa rin, binabasa niyo yun, tapos kinikilig pa rin siya. Ganun yung feeling. This is someone here who is really in love with you. This is the feeling of someone here who keeps you very important in his or her heart. Imagine, nakaukit ka sa kanyang puso. Ang sakit kaya nun? Emer. So, yan, nakaukit ka sa kanyang puso, idiomatic expression yun, mga mahal, no? Ibig sabihin, no, itong tao na to, no, is hindi ka na mawawala sa kanyang heart and this person will stay with you. Alam mo, nakakuha ko dito ng energy na pwedeng mas bata talaga to sa inyo. Pero tingnan mo naman kung paano kanya makikita o tinitingnan rito, no, na parang ikaw to, na parang ikaw yung natatangi sa kanya at nababagay sa mundo niya. At yun naman kiselo siya rito, no, sa mga taong gustong lumapit sa'yo, no? Kasi pwedeng malakas rin yung pakiramdam niya rito na baka may nagkakagusto rin sa'yong iba, or baka may pumaporma sa'yo, yan, no? This person right here gets jealous, yan, no? So, nakikita ko rito na natatakot rin siya rito, na maghiwalay kayong dalawa. Natatakot siya rito, no, na magkaroon rito ng separation sa inyo. So, hindi ko siya nakikita makikipaghiwalay sa inyo. And this person, I'm seeing marriage between you guys. I'm seeing right here na it is a matibay na marriage. Kasi I'm seeing the 4, okay? 4 paa ng mesa. Diba ang mesa, pag hindi pantay ang paa, ano mangyari? Tagilid, so matatapon yung mga julam. So, ibig sabihin, no, pantay ang magiging pundasyon, okay, ng inyong magiging tahanan. Hindi lang basta bahay, no, tahanan, kasi bubuo kayong pamilya nitong person na to. So, this is someone here na kahit bata pa lang siya, baka nga mas matured pa to sa inyong mga mahal. Hindi ko kayo ginajudge, no, but I'm saying that you're gonna meet someone here very matured enough. Yeah, at ang maganda, impressive dahil successful siya rito, no, at patuloy pa rin siya rito nagpapaka-successful sa kanyang life. Yeah, this person will share with you his or her resources right here. This person is gonna view you as his or her only one king or queen right here. Yeah, so yun mga babes, no? So hindi ko alam kung ba't nakita rin ako ng tattoo. So maaaring meron itong tattoo for someone here watching. Yan. So thank you so much. Collective, sino namang nakakabagbag, nakakilig-kilig na reading, no? Na imagine, merong isang person dito nagtatago ng mga text mo. Tapos ikaw, parang ikaw, no? Ay, wala naman masyado kung sinabi dun sa text na yun. Exactly. Kasi kahit na mag-umpisa pa lang kayo nitong tao na to, no, may mararamdaman na siya sa'yo, guys, no? At hindi niya buburahin dito kahit na yung sinabi nyo, kakapiranggot pa lamang, no? So, I can see this person here valuing every, okay, little thing na nanggagaling sa inyo. Kahit yung simpleng hi and hello. So, yeah. Thank you so much right here, collective. Sarang love and light. Annyeong.